Welcome to this video. This is Dr. Kiran Dirle, and in this video we'll see the questions on mixtures, right? Application of alligations, most importantly. What is application of alligations in mixtures, and replacement concept. Replacement concept, right? So I hope this is going to be very much useful for your exam, right? So let's get started. In what ratio, so mixture and alligation, mixture using alligation, in what ratio milk with 40% concentration is mixed with another milk with concentration 60% to get 45% concentration. So we have two types of milk, wherein in first we have 40% concentration, in another milk we have 60% concentration. In what ratio we have to mix to get this resultant 45% concentration? Again, two entities and overall concentration is given, so we are allowed to use alligation here. So 40% is the concentration is first one, second one concentration is 60%, and the resultant concentration is 45%, right? So always remember, this is measurement is percent, right? It should be same, concentration, right? This value is always lie between this and this, right? Okay, this is fundamental of alligation. Okay, what is the ratio? This is milk 1 and this is milk 2, right? What is the ratio of milk 1 to milk 2? The cross difference. What is cross difference? 5. What is cross difference here? 15, right? 15 is to 5 is 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1, right? So in what ratio milk with 40% concentration is mixed with another milk is 3 is to 1. The ratio should be 3 is to 1. I hope you have got this, right? If you don't know alligation, you should go and check my video on alligation, right? In averages, I guess, topic. I hope this is clear. How many liters of milk? How many liters of milk with 30% concentration is to be mixed with 20 liters of 70% concentration? Okay, so we have two concentration, 30% and 70%. This is concentration 1, this is concentration 2, or mixture 1, mixture 2, right? Right, with 20 liters of 70%. So this is 20 liters of mixture. This is actually a 20 liters of mixture having 70% concentration. To get the mixture with 40% concentration, right? So the mixture of both of them has 40% concentration. So this cross difference is 30. This cross difference is 10. So what is the ratio? 3 is to 10. 3 is to 10. Now if this is the ratio of this mixture to this mixture, right? And we know this quantity is 20. So 1 represents 20 here. 1 is 20. So 3 will be 60. 3 will be 60. How many liters of milk with 30% concentration? So 60 liters of milk should be used in 20 liters of mixture, so as to get these concentrations worked, right? I hope this is clear. I hope this question is clear. Okay, in what ratio must alcohol with 50% concentration mixed with water so that resultant mixture has concentration of 0%, 20%, right? So resultant should be 20. The resultant is 20%. Okay, alcohol mixture is 50% concentration, right? In this it has 50%. Now what is this? What should be the value of this? We are mixing with water, right? We are mixing with water, and water has 0% concentration. 0% concentration of alcohol, right? So what is cross difference is 20. What is this is 30. What should be the ratio? Is 2 is to 3, right? So in what ratio alcohol? So this was alcohol part and this was water part. So 2 parts of alcohol, 3 parts of water. 2 as to 3 should be my ratio. I hope this is pretty much clear. I hope this is pretty much. So this concentration with water should be mixed in the ratio 2 is to 3, so as to get 20% resultant concentration. I hope this is also clear, right? Okay, in what ratio sugar costing rupees 15 per kg be mixed with sugar costing rupees 20 per kg so that the mixture is worth rupees 20 per kg? Very simple. The ratio is asked 15, this is 24, the resultant cost price should be this. The resultant cost price, remember this is cost price in rupees, this is cost price in rupees, and this is cost price in rupees. Sometimes we are given selling price here, so we have to first calculate cost price and then use the allegation, right? So what is cross difference? 4. What is cross difference? 5. The ratio should be 4:5. The ratio should be 4:5. Very good technique of this allegation, which has wide usage in mixture, guys. Trust me, this is going to save your time like anything and will definitely save your life as well, right? Okay, so the next one, in what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 16% on selling the mixture at cost price? Now this is a quite confusing, quite tricky question, right? Quite tricky question to understand. See, in what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 16% on selling the mixture at cost price? So what is cost price? Is, see, it is always assumed in mixtures, it is always assumed in mixture that water comes free of cost. Water comes free of cost, it doesn't have any cost, right? Even if it is not practically true, but yes, in mixture allegations, right, the water comes free of cost. Fine. Okay, so let us try to understand, decode the question here. In what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 16% on selling the mixture at cost price? Cost price of water, they mean cost price of water. Try to understand this point. Okay, so let's suppose cost price of water, sorry, cost price of milk, cost price of milk is rupees 100 or 1, whatever it is, x, whatever it is. Cost price of milk is 100, right? Now selling, the selling price is, the selling price is at cost price only, so selling price is also sp of mixture, right? Sp of mixture should also be rupees 100, because they are saying this only, the when the mixture is sold at cost price. So mixture is sold at cost price of milk, right? So selling price is 100 only, 100 only. I hope you are understanding this point. This is quite tricky to understand. Cost price of milk is, we have assumed as 100, so selling price of mixture should also be 100, but this is after getting 16% profit. This is after getting 16% profit, right? So what should be the cost price of mixture? What should be cost price of mixture, right? Why we are calculating cost price, guys? See, we have cost price, we have taken cost price of milk as this. We know cost price of water, cost price of water is 0, right? But we don't know the mixture's cost price. We know the selling price of mixture is 100 only, but if this is cost price, this is cost price, we cannot take selling price here. We cannot take selling price here. So we have to calculate cost price first. We know selling price is 100, yes. So what would be the cost price? So if 100 is selling price when 16%, right? So cost price will be this. This will be cost price. Go and check profit and loss video if you don't understand this, right? Or else for you, I'll just make it simpler here. Cost price is X, right? Profit is 0.16x, so selling price becomes 116, right? So this, sorry, selling price is 100, selling price is 100, sorry, selling price becomes 100, right? So this is cost price, this is profit, cost price plus profit gives us selling price. 1.16x is equal to 100, x is equal to 100 upon 1.16, right? This is how we go technically, but no need to do this. If you have 16% profit, divided by 1.16, right? The selling price, you will get the cost price of mixture, right? So this is nothing but 100 into 100 upon 116. So this is 429, 425. So this is cost price of the mixture. This is cost price of first milk. This is cost price of water, which is 0. Cost price of mixture is 2500 by 29. 2500 by 29. Now to calculate this, right, we have to make the denominators constant. So we have to make the denominator constant. So this will get multiplied by 29. Denominator 29 get 29. So this is nothing but 0 only. This will become 2900, right? Cross difference. So what is cross difference? This will negate the effect now, right? So difference is 2500. What is this difference? 2900 minus 2500 is 400. My ratio will be 25:4. The final ratio is 25:4. In this ratio, milk should be mixed with water so as to get 16% profit by selling at the cost price of milk only. Right? I hope this is tricky question, as I said, but try to decode this logic, right? Things will be very much simple, right? You will be master in mixtures and alligation, trust me. I hope this is clear. Okay, so three types whenever you have three types. Okay, so again you can always go with replacement even if it is three types, right, by taking two at one time, but I would recommend you to go with normal approach only. Let's say three types of sugar got mixed by accident. My goodness, first was of rate 145 per kg, right? First was of rate 145 kg, and the second of the rate 165 per kg. The quantities of three sugars in the ratio 2:1:3. He finally sold the mixture at the rate of 180 per kg. What was the price of third type, right? So if you want to use alligation here, you have to first do this 145, 165. These are two quantities we have. We can use for three, right? Two at a time in alligation. So the resultant cost price we don't know. But the ratio of this to this is 2:1, right? So you'll get the value of x and everything. But I would recommend some other approach as far as this question is concerned, or as far as these type of questions are concerned. How? Let's see. See, what we are given is the quantities of three sugars are this. He finally sold the mixture at the rate of 180 per kg, right, of all the three quantities. Now let's take we take 2 kgs of first quantity plus we take 1 kg of second quantity, right? 1 kg of second quantity, right? Sorry, plus we don't know the rate of third quantity, so we'll take x, right? X, and we have to take 3 kg, right? So ratio is maintained as per the given things, 2:3:1. This is the quantities we are taking, and these are the respective rates. So this total mixture cost price should become 180. If nothing is given, it is sold at cost price only, right? Nothing is given, so fine. If because profit percentage is not given, so we have to take 180 rupees only. I hope this is clear. So this is 290, 165 plus 3x is equal to 180, right? So this plus this is 5, this is 5, and this is 4, right? So 180, this would this is 2 kg plus 1 plus 3 into 6 kg. This is 6, right? I hope you are getting this point. So plus 3x is equal to 1080. So 3x is equal to this minus this. What is this minus this? This is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. 625. X is equal to 326 3038 208 point something, I guess. Yes, x is equal to 208 point something. This is the price of third quantity. I hope you have got this idea. See, we are taking 2 kg of first quantity. So this is the cost price of this. We are taking 1 kg of this quantity. This is cost price. We are taking 3 kg of this quantity. This is the cost price. And by mixing all of them, we are getting this much of cost price. Right? Of 6 kgs, we are getting 180. For 6 kgs, we are getting 180. So solving this, we get 208. You can remove these steps, right? I know how you can do it. So I hope this is pretty much clear. I hope this is pretty much clear. So thank you so much for watching this.